favorite festival is here. Besides the religious significance, Navratri calls for energetic moves, vibrant colors, loud beats of drums, folk songs, good food, and of course never-ending fun. Yes, it is an occasion to bring your traditional best. But if you are stuck on where to start, then I am here to help. Hi guys, मैं हूँ अंकिता और आज मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी Get Ready with Me Navratri Edition, where I am going to show you a makeup look, hairstyle, outfit and jewelry ideas too. वीडियो की शुरुआत करने से पहले जल्दी से बी ब्यूटीफुल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन पे टैप करें ताकि आप हमेशा अपडेटेड रहोगे विद आवर लेटेस्ट वीडियोस. To get illuminated and polished skin, be sure to start with clean skin. So for that, I am going to use Lakme Absolute Perfect Radiance Brightening Facial Foam. In circular motions, gently work in the cleanser to remove any impurities, dirt and oil. इसमें है विटामिन B3 and glycerin that strengthens the skin barrier and boosts moisture level to give you super soft, radiant and clear skin. अब रात भर डांडिया और गरबा खेलने से आंखों की तो बैंड ही बज जाती है. इसीलिए I make sure to show some TLC to my eyes by using an eye cream like this one, Lakme Absolute Argan Oil Radiance Night Revival Eye Cream. Apply gently around the eye area to hydrate and add brightness under the eyes. It also reduces dryness, puffiness and helps you achieve well-rested eyes. Here's a pro tip. To reduce puffiness, just pop the eye cream in the refrigerator and apply it just before starting the eye makeup. Now let's do the base makeup. अब एक long-lasting और flawless matte look के लिए I am going to be using this foundation. It's the Lakme 9 to 5 Primer Plus Matte Perfect Cover Foundation. आपने नोटिस किया होगा कि मैंने प्राइमर की कोई बात ही नहीं की और वो क्योंकि इस अमेजिंग फाउंडेशन में ऑलरेडी प्राइमर है, which saves a lot of time. Just apply it all over your face and neck. फिर एक ब्यूटी स्पॉन्ज से ब्लेंड करें for a natural finish. After applying the foundation, if you still have dark circles and stubborn blemishes peeking through, or if you are just looking for a little more coverage, then use a concealer. मैं ये concealer use कर रही हूँ. It's the Lakme Absolute Mattreal Mousse Concealer. Just apply it on your problem areas and simply pat or dab the concealer with the tip of your finger or a beauty blender in order to blend it well. As you can see, it gives a medium to high coverage with a smooth matte finish. Now it's time to do my eye makeup. अब इस eye look के लिए मैं ये palette use करने वाली हूँ, Lakme Absolute Infinity Eyeshadow Palette Midnight Magic. तो अब मैं स्टार्ट करूँगी ट्रांजिशन कलर के साथ. मैं इस न्यूट्रल कलर को मेरे क्रीज एरिया और उसके ऊपर थोड़ा सा एक फ्लफी ब्लेंडिंग ब्रश पे लेके ब्लेंड करूँगी. फिर उसके बाद मैं थोड़ा सा डार्कर कलर इसी न्यूट्रल फैमिली से मिलता जुलता अपनी क्रीज में ब्लेंडिंग ब्रश से ब्लेंड करूँगी. I'm going to dip into both these shades and trim my lower lash line. That's it for my eyeshadow. Now I'm going to create a layered liner look using two eyeliners. The first one is this Lakme Iconic Liquid Eyeliner in the shade Black. अब नवरात्रि में everything is over the top. तो उसी को follow करते हुए I am going to incorporate a gold liquid eyeliner that will help me brighten up my eyes. This is the second eyeliner that I'll be using, the Lakme Absolute Shine Line Eyeliner in the shade Liquid Gold. तो सबसे पहले black eyeliner की मदद से I'll draw a winged liner. Then using a gold eyeliner, trace a line right above the winged eyeliner. Ensure करें कि you don't overlap this shimmer eyeliner over the black liner, or else you will not get a clean look. अगर आप कुछ goof up कर लेते हैं with the shine liner, then go back with your black liner and correct those mistakes. To finish off this eye look, I am going to use a mascara, and this is the one I am using, the Lakme Absolute 3D Lash Voluminizer Mascara in the shade Black. Just use the wiggle and swipe technique to coat the lashes. Now using the Lakme Absolute 3D Eyebrow Definer in the shade Espresso, I'll brush the brow hair upwards and fill in the sparse areas. And with this, I'm done with my eye look. Isn't it so simple? अब बारी आती है blush की, which will instantly add some glow to my skin. And since I want to go for a subtle flush look, I am going to skip powder blush and apply this instead. It's the Lakme 9 to 5 Weightless Matte Mousse Lip and Cheek color in the shade Blush Velvet. Just applying it on the apples of my cheeks and blending it with my fingers or a beauty blender. And now I am using Lakme Absolute Illuminating Blush Shimmer Brick in the shade Pink on my cheekbones for that soft rosy glow. Last but not the least, मेरा favorite makeup product लगाने की बारी आ ही गई। तो लिप्स के लिए मैंने सिलेक्ट किया है ये लिक्विड लिप कलर Lakme Absolute Matte Melt Liquid Lip Color in the shade Pink Silk। इस लिक्विड लिपस्टिक का कलर पे ऑफ बहुत ही अच्छा है और बेस्ट पार्ट है ये मैट होने के बावजूद बिल्कुल मेरे लिप्स को ड्राई आउट नहीं करता। वेट, आई एम नॉट डन येट। इस लिपस्टिक के ऊपर आई एम गोइंग टू अप्लाई अ लिप ग्लॉस एंड दिस इज द वन आई एम यूजिंग। It's the Lakme Absolute Spotlight Lip Gloss in the shade Creme Caramel. This lip gloss literally has my heart because it makes my pout look fuller and plump and it's non-sticky. इसका मतलब है आप इसे लगा सकते हैं without worrying about your hair getting stuck while you do garba or play dandiya. Plus you see how it gives my lips a luscious sheen. I can't get over it. अब मेकअप तो हो गया, लेकिन मैं एक बहुत ही important चीज लगाना भूल ही गई। I am talking about nail polish. I know I should have applied it before my makeup, but कोई बात नहीं, अभी कर लेते हैं। I am using this nail polish. It's the Lakme Absolute Gel Stylish color in the shade Butterscotch. It's a beautiful peachy shade and has high glossy shine too. I'll wait for it to dry before I do my hairstyle. When it comes to hairstyles for Navratri, you can go for braids, buns, or maybe just add a pretty accessory and leave those locks open. It's totally up to you. मुझे एक messy bun बनाना बहुत पसंद है, as it looks really good when paired with traditional attire. It has a carefree appeal and is one of the easiest hairstyles you can pull off. If you want to know how to make a messy bun, then watch the video I have added in the description box below. अब करते हैं आउटफिट की बात। सच्ची बताऊं तो मैं आउटफिट को लेकर बहुत ही एक्साइटेड होती हूँ। It's actually all about colors. 9 auspicious days with 9 auspicious colors. You can either opt to wear a chanya choli or denims with an ethnic top or even a dhoti and a crop top. आज मैं ये येलो कलर का आउटफिट पहनने वाली हूँ। That's for day 5 of Navratri. ये एक फ्लोई लहंगा है with a blouse and I am going to complete this look with a bandhani dupatta. No attire is complete without its customary jewelry, and Navratri is no different. I like to pair my outfit with oxidized jewelry. The best part about choosing oxidized jewelry is the black and silver tone that complements all the other vibrant colors. Now for the final touches, I'm going to apply a bindi and 3 dots on either side of my eyes too. And voila, I'm ready! तो guys, कैसा लगा आपको मेरा ये look? Please मुझे comment section में बताएं. Also, all the products I have used in the video are linked in the description box below. Do check them out. जाने से पहले like, share and subscribe to the Be Beautiful channel and tap on the bell icon to always stay updated with our latest videos. Bye!